Hi, Neal McLaughlin here for DIY insurance claims. What is DIY insurance claims? DIY insurance claims is a free resource available to the general public in answering questions they may have during an insurance claim. We've gathered together the top people in their field, subject matter experts, in order to explain to you what certain concepts are that you're going to run into and need to know during your insurance claim. Why was DIY insurance claims created? Well, it was created because we determined that there is a vast misconception and misinformation spread concerning your insurance claim. In order to put you back on the right track or give you a little guidance, myself and others have come together and have put this resource out as a free resource for your benefit in navigating your insurance claim. Just as the title says, an insurance claim, in most cases, you can do it yourself. Who am I? I'd introduced myself at the beginning, my name is Neal McLaughlin. I've been involved with insurance claims for over 20 years. I have the nickname of Mr. Claim. My side business is referred to as 1-844 Mr. Claim, which is the toll-free number. Myself and other like-minded subject matter experts in the field of insurance and insurance law have come together to provide this free resource to you so that you can better navigate your insurance claim. Not every insurance claim needs an attorney. Not every insurance claim needs a public adjuster. Many smaller insurance claims that you're going to encounter are going to be able to be handled by yourself, but you need to arm yourself with knowledge, arm yourself with awareness of these terms that you're going to encounter and concepts that you're going to encounter during the insurance claims cycle. I wish you well and have a great day.